Ready to turn your WhatsApp into a lead-generating powerhouse? Let's unlock the secrets of Aisensy and transform your business. First, you'll need an Aisensy account. Head over to aisensy.com and sign up for a free trial to explore all the features we're about to cover. Capturing leads is crucial. Create a WhatsApp link using Aisensy to add to your website or social media. When click, it starts a conversation, instantly adding them to your contact list. Consider offering a lead magnet, like a free ebook or discount code, in your initial message to incentivize signups. Next, let's automate engagement. Use Aisensy's chatbot builder to create automated welcome messages, answer frequently asked questions, and even qualify leads based on their responses. A well-designed flow saves you time and ensures every contact receives prompt and helpful information. Personalization is key. Segment your audience with an Aisensy based on demographics, interests, or behavior. Then, craft targeted messages that address their specific needs and pain points. Aisensy allows you to send broadcast messages to segments, promoting offers or sharing valuable content. Finally, convert those leads into sales. Use Aisensy to send personalized product recommendations, offer exclusive deals, and provide seamless customer support. Make it easy for customers to make a purchase directly through WhatsApp by integrating payment gateways. And that's how you use Aisensy for WhatsApp lead generation and nurturing. Start capturing leads, automating engagement, and driving sales today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more marketing tips.